What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use or how to add the glass effect on your pictures, but still leaving some part of the picture without the glass effect. How to do this into Canva into a simple, fast and effective method. This is what I'm gonna learn in this video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, let's get things started, okay? First thing, locate your image and apply it on your design, just like this. If the image have exactly the same design size, for example, the same design proportion, so a square image, a square design, okay, better for you. Then, review the left sidebar of menus, go to Apps, search for Glass Maker, here's the guide I'm looking for, select the image, and click on Start Glass Effect. Now you can change the position of the glass effect. Make sure it covers the whole image, just like this. You can change the intensity of the effect and the scale and the glass, all up to you, okay? Then click on Add to Design, in the case that you are happy with the results you got. Let me delete the image and use only this one right here. Make sure that the image covers the full design. Now, review the left sidebar of menus once again. Go to Elements. Search on Frames. Search for Brush, just like this. This one is my favorite. Position it into the face, just like this. Or into the part of the picture that you would like to give some focus. Find the image once again, enter this on the frame, just like this. Now, double click, organize the frame to fit the exact size, just like this. Until it fits the whole square, just like this. And here is the result you got. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.